Hi everyone. Today I'm going to go over the Egyptian writing assignment. First, I want to note that I did clean up all of the Google classes so that you'll notice under social studies for classwork it is a little bit more organized with topics. This one that I'm going over today is Egyptian writing. You'll notice that when you click on the writing assignment, you get the preview here, but I can also go to view assignment, makes it a little bit bigger. You have a few directions. You're going to start by reading this article about the Rosetta Stone and Egyptian writing. This article is about 3 pages long. It does include some pictures. The source of the information comes up here. First part is all about the Rosetta Stone. If we had class, I would get to tell you that this guy is a French scholar. One of my favorite names to pronounce when we're reading about the ancient Egyptians, because it's a French name. His name is Jean-Francois Champollion. So you'll read about him, see some pictures here of the Rosetta Stone. This is the Rosetta Stone in the British Museum. And this third page is all about the actual writing of the ancient Egyptians, called hieroglyphics. So you get to read through this page too. They're not too long, but they do give a lot of information. Back on the assignment, after you read these 3 pages, you do have a document assigned to you over here. This is called hieroglyphics, gives you the definition of hieroglyphics under it. You're going to complete one of these 2 options and answer both of the reflection questions at the bottom. So these 2 options here are kind of fun. They give you either a choice to write with hieroglyphics or writing with emojis. Make sure you include a translation, doesn't matter which option you choose. And then answer these 2 questions over here. This is the part that I'm going to be reading to grade. And finally, if you are still interested in hearing more about the Rosetta Stone and ancient Egyptian writing, you could watch these 2 YouTube videos. They're not very long. They're very quick summaries about the Rosetta Stone. Don't forget to hit turn in when you are finished your work, and please email me if you have any questions. Also, I'm going to put on our Google Classroom information about social studies help desk and meeting using Zoom if you need some extra help.